Lion Kamlesh Dalal, District Governor 1920-20, District 3231A1, call this third annual district convention to order. Now request Lalit Bhai for prayer.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे बोल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी दी दे भली जिंदगी दे, बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो।
Take your seat. Now I request Pawan Agrawal to perform the convention play.
We, the members of the International Association of Lions Clubs, District 3231A1, assemble herein at the 3rd Annual District Convention at Mumbai, hereby solemnly declare that we shall take part in the proceedings of the convention like true lions, in keeping with the objects and principles of Code of Ethics, and we shall participate in the discussions and will act and decide on the various matters that come up before the convention sincerely and faithfully. We further declare that we shall keep up and maintain the fair name of the International Association of Lions Clubs and that of District 3231A1. Thank you.
Thank you, Pawan Bhai. Friends, on behalf of the Lions Club International District 3231A1, I welcome you all the digital 3rd Annual District Convention on this fine Friday, 5th June morning, and I hope you all are safe, healthy and successfully navigating through this challenging time. Friends, I am sure you will agree with me, the COVID-19 has changed over the life and our world will not be the same again, but I am sure we all are going to come back stronger than before. Friends, I take this opportunity to appreciate and compliment the services conducted by the district chairperson and the clubs. The range over the 5 crores area of services as advised by the Lions Club International, that is vision, environment, hunger, diabetes, childhood cancer, the quantum of service activity carried out in terms in money, time, energy this year, mind-boggling. I must compliment all the members and Lions Club. for doing excellent work. I DG compliments to all the line member, lionesses, Leos, line ladies, auxiliary for the remarkable feat. I am proud of you all. Respected lines of District 3231 A1 lionesses, Leos, doctors, well-wisher and various field of service-loving people have worked very hard for the nation. I must compliment all the region chairman, zone chairman, district chairman, region council was excellent, zone social was excellent, all the district chairman has worked very hard for the society and for the benefit of the public. I have no words to appreciate the lions, lionesses, Leos, lion leaders, past district governor, lion ladies, friend. Especially I honor their generous donation and helping hand to us for the noble cause of our society. I must compliment the club, Lions Club of Walkeshwar, East Bombay, Churchgate, Millionaire, Baigalla, Sayan, Lions Club of King Circle Lionesses, City Center, Panchratna, Ketwadi, Mandvi East, King Circle, Bellard Estate, Shanti Dut, Bombay Host, Shivaji Park, Bombay Central, Mahanagar. I must compliment Naresh Shah for contributing the Prime Minister Fund rupees 1 lakh rupee in from Lions Club Mahanagar. And many more club has gave food, medicine, PPE kit and many more required by the needy. I salute all the friend, Lions, donor, well-wisher, given their help to the noble cause. I am very proud to say the total project of the work carried out by the club in diabetes, environment, pediatric, hunger, vision and others. Total project carried out by the club, that is 1486, and total time spared by the Lions and friend, that is more than 1,06,297 hours. Total benefit is around 38,900, and total cost of the project, this is more than 20 crores. I must compliment all the member and Lions Club or district well-wisher. I also thankful to my micro member, especially secretary, treasurer and PRO, and the member of my cabinet member. They have excellently done very good service and help to the Lions service activities, the district function and cabinet meeting, and everywhere they stood by me by rock, and time limit is not there. Whenever I call them, they participate and support me in doing the excellent work for the district and for the Lions of our 3231A1 district. So I am very much thankful, and my bottom of I thanks for my bottom of heart very well that they have done excellent. I have no words to express how much time they have spared, how much energy they have spent, and the work they have carried out. And because of their help and guidance and doing excellently well, I get the credit, but the credit goes to the all my micro team and my cabinet member for doing excellently very well. So I thank all of them, all the Lions of our district. Past district and supported me very well. Whenever I require any guidance, any help, they have given me, and all the help they have rendered me for the betterment of the Lions district 3231A1. So my compliments, and I pray God the same continue support and guidance will be given by them to me in my future endeavor. So I must thank all of you for doing excellently well. दोस्तों, आज बहुत ही खुशी के साथ कहना है मुझे कि हमारे पास इंटरनेशनल से प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड हमारे 3 मेंबर के लिए आए हुए हैं, उनको मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आपको भी इंतजारी होगी वो 3 मेंबर कौन होंगे। तो पहला नाम लायन ललित शाह, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सेक्रेटरी 19-20 के। सेकंड लायन अंकलेश्वरिया, फारूक अंकलेश्वरिया, जो जॉइंट कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी है, जिन्होंने बहुत ही सुंदर काम किया और मार्गदर्शन देके बहुत अच्छा काम किया। और तीसरा जो नाम है, जो लायंस शीला फ्रॉम लायंस क्लब ऑफ किंग सर्कल लायनेस, she has done excellently well in their endeavor, so I must compliment all of them for receiving the highest award from the Lions Club International. I am proud of them and wish all the success in future endeavor, and on behalf of all of you, I congratulate them and expect the fullest support from everybody to strengthen the Lionism in future. Thank you very much. एक बात मैं कहना चाहूँगा, प्रशंसा से पिघलना मत, प्रशंसा से पिघलना मत, आलोचना से उलझना मत, आलोचना से उबलना मत, निस्वार्थ भाव से कर्म कर, क्योंकि इस धरा पर सब धरा रह जाएगा। श्री कृष्ण ने बहुत ही बड़ी बात कही है, ना जीत चाहिए ना हार चाहिए, जीवन की सफलता के लिए केवल मित्र और परिवार चाहिए। और आप ही मेरे मित्र और परिवार है। सो माई कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर लिसन टू मी एंड सपोर्टेड मी थ्रू आउट माई गवर्नरशिप। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू वर्क विथ यू एट एनी मोमेंट, एनी टाइम। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम very thankful to my friend and philosopher Lion Narendra Bhai Bhandari, past Internal Director from Pune, to be the chief guest of our today's function. I request him to give his blessing and advice for the future also. Narendra Bhai, please.
District Governor, District 3231A1, Lion Kamlesh Bhai Dalal, past International President, Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta, first Vice District Governor, Lion Rajkumar Gupta, immediate past District Governor, Lion Divyesh Shah, second Vice District Governor, Lion Prasad Panwalkar, District Cabinet Secretaries, Lion Lalit Shah, Pawan Agarwal, Firoz Anklesaria, the ambassadors of Global Action Team, all the past district governors, cabinet members, club officers, organizing team members, Lions, ladies in Lionism, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed pleasure to be a part of this district e-convention, and I thank District Governor Lion Kamlesh, the organizing team and all of you for the invitation to join you for this conference. Under normal circumstances, I would have been standing before you and feeling the vibes between us. But in the current abnormal circumstances, with social distancing as the norm and no travel permissible, let us just rely on the old saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder, and move ahead with our program. For me, it's always a pleasure to be with the Lions of District 3231A1 and especially today to be a part of this e-conference. I always have enjoyed a very close association with District 3231A1 and also particularly with your District Governor, Lion Kamlesh Bhai Dalal. He is such a humble, knowledgeable, dedicated and sincere Lion. I am sure many of you would remember that it was my privilege to install the cabinet officers at the beginning of Lionistic year 2019-20, wherein I also published a very beautiful district directory. I've also been in frequent touch with him throughout the year, and I would like to compliment him for the wonderful leadership he has provided to our district and discharging his duties diligently throughout the Lionistic year 2019-2020. We proudly say, where there's a need, there's a lion. The very energetic and involved service-minded Lions of District 3231 A1 have indeed proved this by their deeds. Under Kamlesh Bhai's leadership and with involvement of each one of you and your commitment and support, District 3231 A1 has carried out need-based service projects worth a staggering of rupees 20 crores during 2019-20. This is no small achievement indeed. In this year itself, your district has received 3 LCIF grants worth rupees 49 lakhs and projects for which are already under execution. And in the middle of all these plans and activities, along came COVID-19. Try and stop everything. This thrust upon us challenging times, both in our personal lives and for Lions clubs also. But Lions everywhere were responded positively, and in this adversity, Lions everywhere found an opportunity by stepping up their activities. Here too, Lions of District 3231A1 did not lag behind. Clubs of 3231A1 have carried out COVID-related activities worth rupees 2 crores. 2 करोड़ की गतिविधियां इस कोरोना की महामारी में हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ने की है. बहुत बहुत बधाई. Lions Club of Sion alone has donated personal protection equipment kits worth rupees 50 lakhs to various hospitals in and around Mumbai. Many clubs and Lion members have contributed very generously to PM Care and CM Care Fund also. And new opportunities continue become activities for Lions. I express my sincerest thanks and heartiest congratulations to the clubs and each and every one of you Lion member for these achievements, which have really enhanced the image of Lions in the eyes of community in the city and the country. As one who has been a trainer to many Lions of this district, whether for PhD schooling or other higher courses, it is very heartening for me to note that even in this lockdown period, Lions are staying connected to each other and to organization through participating in various learning activities through various webinars also. These webinars are available on Lions Learning Center, and our organization has invested heavily in making these courses available, and I sincerely recommend each of you to participate in this process. It will benefit you generally in all spheres of your personal as well as professional life, and of course in your Lions projects also. And before I conclude, let me stress once again, membership is the backbone, is the bedrock and foundation on which our entire edifice of Lionism depends. We need new and fresh blood to strengthen our hands, to enable us to move with the times, and of course to spread our carpet of service over a wider area. We must have family, friends, business colleagues, associates to join our fold. Showcase to them the good work we do and invite them to join our activities, meetings and celebrations. Push the Lions brand synonymous with service of over 103 years. And whilst we must make continuous efforts to keep our numbers growing, let us not forget the old in our quest for the new. Yes, my friends, I am talking about retention. The members we have are our most valuable asset. They are already well groomed about Lionism. They know about service. They know about how Lions do things. They are our most important tool for marketing the organization, for mentoring new blood, for building our image, etc. Quite a few may be old senior Lions, but all are geared to move with the times let's never underestimate the value they continue to bring to our organization. I know all of you are eager to get on with the very interesting program set up for this conference, and I would not like to keep you from it any longer. So once again, my sincerest thanks and heartiest congratulations to District Governor Lion Kamlesh Bhai Dalal, all the senior leadership of your district, the conference organizing committee, and all of you for inviting me to greet you. I wish you all a most successful and meaningful district conference. I wish each and every one of you great times ahead, and I'll look forward to your continued affection and support. Please rest assured I'm here to respond at any time that you may need me to. These tough times may last for a while, but proudly remember, Lions have helped face tough times for 103 years now. Our spirit cannot be broken. So take care, be safe, and may God bless you all. Looking forward to being here in person again in very near future. Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Narendra Bhai, for your guidance and blessing. Friends, Lion JP Singh, International Director and Constitution Bylaws Committee Chairman, have agreed to come to our district today's meeting, but due to the sudden operation, he could not make it. But he has sent the blessing and good wishes, and his blessing is printed in docket. So I thankful him in spite of the ill health. He has sent the blessing. And he has always guided us by the constitutional way and the Lions movement. Thank you very much, JP Singh, for all your help. I will request past District Governor, Rules and Procedure Committee Chairman, Lion Dara Patel, to give his report.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am thankful to our Governor Kamlesh Dalal for entrusting me with the position of Chairman, Rules and Procedures Committee. Our committee met on the 27th of May and we had excellent deliberations over the telephone. In view of the current situation, we couldn't meet physically, and I have made a detailed report of my committee, which consists of Pawan Agarwal of Cuff Parade, Meher Ghazar of Bombay Host, and Preeti Gupta from Lions Club of Shivaji Park. As you are aware, in the current circumstances, we are not able to meet in person. A detailed report on e-voting and preferential voting has been submitted to the Governor, to his Secretary, and to the Treasurer. I hereby put forward this report to the House for approval. Thank you, Governor, once again for the opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir, for your report. Now I request Constitution Committee Chairman, past District Governor Lion Nitin Bhai Khambati, to give his report. District Governor Kamlesh Bhai and friends, I am grateful to you for appointing Lion Nitin Khambati as Chairperson of Constitution and Bylaw Committee and me as co-chairperson for the ensuring 3rd District Conference of our district to be held on 5th June 2020. The members of the committee are me, SPDG Lion Shailesh Sanghavi, and Lion Manik Dastoor, Tenas Beramji, and Akil Hafiz. We had a meeting of the conference on the conference call, and all committee members were online. Meeting was held on Sunday, 24th May 2020. Chairperson PDG Lion Nitin Khambati briefed all members and thanked them for their participation. He conveyed to them that neither he nor co-chairperson has received any communication or resolution from the district cabinet, any Lions Club, or from any Lions member. It was decided that members present to present our NEEL report to you, which will be presented to the House at the time of the district conference. We also want to thank you for your leadership in this difficult year for all of us. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now I request Resolution Committee Chairman, past District Governor Ashwin Bhai Shah, to give his committee report.
I'm Lion Ashwin Shah, Chairman of Resolution Committee and past District Governor of the year 95-96. I'm thankful to Lion Kamlesh Dalal for appointing me as a Resolution Committee Chairman. My co-chairperson is DVS Shah and my members are Region Chairman Vinod Sere, Sabbir Kadam, Cyrus Surti and Dattatray Patil. Our committee meeting was held on 21st May on audio conference, in which we have passed the report as a nil. We have received one resolution from Lions Club of Nana Chowk, which is of utmost importance regarding increasing of fees by LCCIA from rupees 12 to rupees 72. But as the resolution has not come in time, but under the circumstances of COVID-19 pandemic, I leave it to Governor at his discretion whether to place it before the general body meeting or not in the ensuing coming election on 5th June 2020. Thank you, Governor. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Please adopt my report as nil. Thanking you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, very important committee, Nomination Committee Chairman, Lion past District Governor Javindbhai Parekh, to give his report.
District Governor Kamlesh Bhai and friends, may I wish Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. First of all, I am thankful to the Governor for appointing me as a nomination committee chairman of this conference. As a nomination committee, due to the coronavirus epidemic, lot of water has flown under the bridges. We had decided to meet in person, but due to the restrictions, I was unable to call a meeting of all my cabinet members. The members of my cabinet are co-chairman, past district governor Suresh Bhai Mehta, Lion president of East Bombay Huzefa Gadiali, Lion president of Baikala Firoz Katrak, and Lion president of Science Club Chetna Javeri. We all have talked over the phone and discussed the various nominations this year. For the post of the district governor for 2021, there is only one nomination from Lion Rajkumar of Lions Club of Garden View. And for the post of the first vice district governor, Lion Prasad Panvolkar of Lions Club of Prarthana Samaj. For the post of the second vice district governor, we have received 4 nominations. First from Lion Sanjay Churi of Lions Club of Mahim. Second, Dr. Jagannath Hegde of Lions Club of Bombay Midtown. And the third is Lion Havovi Gandhi from Lions Club of Bombay Queensway. And the fourth, Lion Jamshed Khodai of Lions Club of Sunrise. We have scrutinized all the 4 nominations, and only in the case of Jagannath Rao Hegde, we were worried about the completion of requirements. But then we have received a letter from Lions Clubs International that his past record of before 10 years will have to be taken into consideration, and the same letter was passed on to me by the governor to me, and hence we will have to consider his application also. So my dear friends, we have scrutinized all the 4 applications for the post of the second vice district governor, and now I request the governor to put my report before the house and to do the needful. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request the most important committee of today, the Lion Ashok Bhai Mehta, past international president. May I request you, sir, to give your report of election committee.
District Governor Kamlesh Dalal, his colleagues on the board, namely Rajkumar and Prasad, my past district governors, Jaban Bhai to Divesh, and my dear fellow Lions. I am extremely grateful to past district governor Kamlesh Dalal for appointing me the chairman of the election committee along with my two colleagues, past governor Suresh Shah and past governor Santosh Jawan. Friends, we met on 1st June at 4 o'clock at Lion Taradhan Bappa Hospital, and as you all are aware that we have given the complete job in view of the coronavirus. We right to vote, and it is going to take care of complete election process. Friends, you already seen the mock trial and mock voting as already done on 3rd of June, and I am sure each one of you will vote 100%. God bless you, and thank you very much, Governor, once again for giving me an opportunity to present to you the election committee report. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Result report. Total delegate is 172 delegate from the club, 26 past district governor, 1 district governor, total 199, 2 member not registered, 1 for the not payment and 1 not for the register. So total delegate registered 197. This is the credentials report. Total delegate is 197. Thank you very much. Friends, now request Lion Pawan Agrawal for presenting audited account of year 2018-19. Pawan bhai, please.
I, Lion Pawan Agrawal, District Treasurer 2018-19, present my audited annual accounts for Lionistic year 2018-19. The income and expenditure account and balance sheet for administration wing duly audited has been included in the e-docket. Likewise, the audited income and expenditure account and balance sheet along with audit report for District 323A1 Charity Trust is also included in the e-docket. I present the same to this August House for adoption. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your report. दोस्तों, हम सब जिस घड़ी का, जिस पल का इंतजार कर रहे थे, वो पल, वो घड़ी आ गई। मैं सर्वप्रथम वर्ष 2020-21 के डीजी पद पर नॉमिनेट होने वाले राजकुमार गुप्ता इसे निवेदन करूंगा कि नॉमिनेशन स्पीच आपके सामने रखें।
हयात लेके चलो, कायनात लेके चलो, चलो तो सारे जमाने को साथ लेके चलो। 1000 बर्फ गिरे, लाख आंधियां उठे, वो फूल खिल के रहेंगे जो खिलने वाले हैं। इत्तेफाक अपनी जगह, खुशकिस्मती अपनी जगह, खुद बनाता है जहां में आदमी अपनी जगह। Yes, my friends, I will start by saying Rajkumar to see great ho. Rajkumar joined Lionism in 1992 in Lions Club of Malabar Hill, and in 1995 he became the founder and charter member of Lions Club of Garden View and has held several prestigious posts in his Lionistic career, starting from Zone Chairman to First Vice District Governor. Born in 1951, he is just 25 years old with 44 years of experience. A graduate from HR College of Commerce and did Bachelor of Law from the Government Law College. A businessman, importer of power tools, and a director of a 75-year-old established organization. He has a legacy of doing charity through his father, late Shri Om Prakash Gupta's Institute Gupta Charity Trust. So he has abundance of vitamin M and is fondly called Balle Balle. He believes that service is the most effective means that helps self-realization. His fervor for service is so intense that no adjustments can do justice to it. the most affectionate, reliable, trustworthy, generous Iron Man who believes in not quitting no matter what. He plans properly, prepares prayerfully, processes positively, and pursues persistently. He believes that no matter how high you climb the ladder, hard work is necessary for success. And if you want a place in the sun, you've got to put up with a few blisters. His very name suggests Raj Kumar. No wonder वो सबके दिलों पर राज करता है. And like a true lion, he will never demand respect but command it. Let me tell you, friends, he has a mind of his own and never meddles with the affairs of others. Rajkumar's winning formula is dedication plus preparation plus teamwork equals to excellence. Rajkumar has traveled across the globe and sincerely believes Lionism is a window for enhancing leadership qualities, personality development, and an opportunity to serve. He is blessed to have his 92-year mother's blessings and is happily married to Kanchan. He has 2 sons who are lions as well and 2 daughter-in-laws and 4 grandchildren. Touch wood, indeed, a happy Lions joint family. ये सच है दोस्तों कि संघर्ष में आदमी अकेला होता है, सफलता में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है, पर यह बात भी उतनी ही सच है कि जिस जिस पर यह जग हंसा है उसी ने इतिहास रचा है. When electing new heads, we should consider whether one has the requisite knowledge, possesses the right mind, and is fully equipped to take on leadership. And our first Vice District Governor, Lion Rajkumar, has all of the above. अब दोस्तों बातें शातें बहुत कर ली, कुछ गाना शाना हो जाए तो गाओ मेरे साथ. तेरा नाम बल्ले बल्ले, तेरा काम बल्ले बल्ले, तेरा चाल बल्ले बल्ले, तेरा ढाल बल्ले बल्ले. देखा तुझे तो ये यकीन हो गया, हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट को लीडर मिल गया. ओ बल्ले 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 बल्ले. Yes, friends, talent made him exceptional, sweat and sacrifice made him better, his roots made him humble, the critics made him tougher, of all the things, Lionism made him great. So now what are you waiting for? Vote for the dealer of hope, vote for the man par excellence, vote for the man who will make you and the organization that you belong to proud. Vote for Lion Rajkumar Gupta, vote with 100% affirmation, vote for Balle Balle. Shukriya, good luck and God bless.
Thank you, Rajkumar ji. I request nomination speech for Lion Prasad Panvalkar for the first BDG to give his nomination speech.
के वंदन में अमित वरदान होता है, प्यार में जो झुकता है उसी का मान होता है, सहता है जो चोट छेने और हथौड़े की, वही पाषाण मंदिर में भगवान होता है. मंदिर में रखी हुई मूर्ति इसलिए वंदनीय नहीं होती क्योंकि उसमें देवता का वास होता है, वह इसलिए पूजनीय होती है क्योंकि उसने सहा है तरासे जाने की वेदना को. हर व्यक्ति का जीवन एक मूर्ति के समान होता है, वह खुद ही हथौड़ा है, खुद ही पत्थर है और खुद ही शिल्पकार. उसकी जीवन रूपी मूर्ति वही रूप लेती है जो वह स्वयं उसे प्रदान करता है. लायंस क्लब ऑफ प्रार्थना समाज द्वारा फर्स्ट वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर के लिए प्रस्तुत लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर एक ऐसे ही शख्सियत है जिसने अपने कृतित्व, अपने व्यक्तित्व द्वारा अपनी जीवन रूपी मूर्ति एक अनूठा, एक अनुपम रूप प्रदान किया है. आप सभी का आज हम पुनः एक बार धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं कि पिछले वर्ष आप सभी ने एक बेहतरीन, एक बेमिसाल और एक ऐतिहासिक फैसला किया था लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर को डिस्ट्रिक्ट 323A1 का सेकेंड वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर चुनने का फैसला. आप सभी के साथ सहकार, स्नेह और समर्थन के कारण ही विषम और विपरीत परिस्थितियों में लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर एक चट्टान के भांति अडिग रहा और आप सभी के आशीर्वाद से विजयी हुआ. संघर्ष जितना ज्यादा कठिन था, जीत उतनी ही शानदार थी. मंजिल क्या है, रास्ता क्या है, हौसला हो तो फिर फासला क्या है. और आज वक्त आ गया है पुनः लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर को 100% अफर्मेटिव वोट देकर फर्स्ट वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर चुनने का. लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर ही लायन जैसी संस्था को एक सबल और सक्षम नेतृत्व प्रदान कर सकता है. एक ऐसा नेतृत्व जो उदारवादी और आशावादी सोच रखते हुए आज के इस चुनौती भरे माहौल में एक तीव्र, तीक्ष्ण और मौलिक बदलाव ला सकता है. लायनिज्म को एक नई दिशा और दशा प्रदान कर सकता है। और ये काम केवल लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर ही कर सकता है, क्योंकि वही बदलते हैं रुख हवाओं के जिनके इरादों में जान होती है। इस वर्ष सेकेंड वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर के रूप में उन्होंने लायनिज्म में लायंस की नेतृत्व क्षमता के विकास और संवर्धन के लिए अनुपम कार्य किया है। उन्होंने प्रोत्साहित किया है, प्रेरित किया है, उत्साहित किया है उन सभी लायंस बंधुओं को लायंस सेमिनार में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, क्योंकि उनका यही मानना है, एक नई सोच की ओर कदम बढ़ाओ, हौसलों से अपनी सपनों की ऊंचाई को छू कर दिखाओ। जो आज तक सिमट कर रह गए थे ख्वाबों में, उन सपनों को सच करके दिखाओ। लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर की गतिविधियां केवल लायनिज्म तक ही नहीं सीमित रही, वे कई सांस्कृतिक और सामाजिक संस्थाओं से भी जुड़े हुए हैं, जिनमें से प्रमुख स्वास्थ्य लीग एवं ब्राह्मण सभा हॉस्पिटल के वो चेयरमैन हैं। एक बहुत ही संपन्न, सुशिक्षित और समझदार परिवार में जन्मे लायन प्रसाद को समाज सेवा विरासत में मिली, और साथ ही साथ मिली विरासत में 3 पीढ़ियों का प्रिंटिंग का व्यापार। प्रिंटिंग यानी रंगों का ताना बाना, और लायन प्रसाद में भी खूबी है खूबसूरत, बेहतरीन और इंद्रधनुषी रंग बिखेरने की, खुशियों के रंग बिखरने की, लायनिज्म का रंग बिखेरने की, दोस्ती का रंग बिखेरने की, नेतृत्व का रंग बिखेरने की, अपनेपन का रंग बिखेरने की। आने वाले दिनों में लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर अपने इन्हीं रंगों से लायनिज्म की बगिया को और भी अधिक खिलाएंगे और भी अधिक रंगीन बनाएंगे। आप सभी बहुत ही विचारवान, विवेकशील और जागरूक लायंस हैं, जो वक्त की नज़ाकत को बखूबी समझते हैं। इसलिए लायनिज्म में स्वच्छता, सरलता, शालीनता और सहजता लाने के लिए आप अपना 100% वोट फर्स्ट वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर के लिए लायन प्रसाद पनवलकर को देंगे। लायनिज्म की आवाज़ है प्रसाद, लायनिज्म का विश्वास है प्रसाद, लायनिज्म का आगाज है प्रसाद, लायनिज्म का विकास है प्रसाद। सिर्फ प्रसाद, सिर्फ प्रसाद, सिर्फ प्रसाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। नाउ वो घड़ी आ गई फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ सेकंड वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर फॉर द ईयर 2020-21। There are 4 candidates. I'll start with Lion Hovi Gandhi from Lions Club of Queensway to give his nomination speech.
John C. Maxwell quoted, "A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way." So is with Lion Hovi Gandhi, an experienced lion serving our society since last 38 years through Lions Club of Waikala and Bombay Queensway. Hovi is a BA graduate and has worked as a professional secretary at Mahindra & Mahindra Limited for 30 years. And after her retirement, she started her own travel consultancy, Hovi Tours and Travels, in 1980, thus organizing tours for Lions fraternity to international conventions and Islamic forums. Her family is a pillar of support and strength in all her activities. She is the trustee and was the president of Women's Graduates Union for 2 years, a life member of Indian Association of Secretaries and Administrative Professionals, and a life member of World Zoroastrian Organization. As Mahatma Gandhi has rightly said, स्वयं को जानने का सर्वश्रेष्ठ तरीका है अपने आप को औरों की सेवा में डुबा देना. Yes, Lion Hovi started her tireless with destiny when she became the member of Lions Club of Waikala in the year 1982 and later the president of the Lions Club. This Lions Club was later converted into Lions Club of Bombay Queensway in the year 1992, where she became the charter treasurer of the club. Hovi has attended all the leadership institutes to become an excellent lion, thus adding a feather to her cap. This year, as the executive director Twinning, Hovi was instrumental in bringing more than 20 Lions clubs and individual lions together to perform different projects as she believed aim for service and success will follow. Twinning projects organized during the year under the flagship of Bombay Queensway were based on health and environment. Hovi is a trained faculty for Club Quality Initiative programs in 2018-19, where she was instrumental in taking CQI programs in more than 20 clubs, thus sharing her knowledge and expertise with the clubs. She had also arranged a press conference at the Press Club in order to elevate the image of the district. Her epitome of service in Lionism and her attitude and penchant for the best in Lionism made her a very successful and a sought after lion. She has held many important positions at the district level. Her work has been recognized and appreciated by a plethora of awards and certificates in Lionism from international, multiple, and district 323A1. These trends of her assures us that she is the best candidate for the post who will take the flag of District 3231A1 to greater heights. She commits herself to give the best of her services to the organization, giving opportunity to every lion to achieve the motto of the organization, that is, we serve. She plans to have more leadership seminars and orientation and indoctrination programs for new members to understand Lionism. The trust and confidence showered on her throughout her journey in Lionism enables her to stand today amongst you all for the prestigious post for the second Vice District Governor. Friends, it's time to cast your valuable vote for MJF Lion Havovi Gandhi and stand strongly with her so that she continues to influence and inspire us with the commitment and passion for Lionism as women are leaders everywhere you look. From the CEO who runs a Fortune 500 company to the housewife who raises and heads her family. Remember, our country was built by strong women and we will continue to break down walls and defy stereotypes. गौर कीजिएगा दोस्तों, राह संघर्ष के जो चलता है वो ही संसार को बदलता है. जिसने रातों से है जंग जीती, सुबह का सूरज बनकर वही चमकता है. दोस्तों, बॉम्बे क्वींसवे की ओर से आप सभी को मेरी विनती है, आप सभी का समर्थन, आपका फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस का वोट लायन हवोवी गांधी को ही दीजिए. थैंक यू.
Second, Jagannath Hegde from Midtown.
Namaste dear Lion. I, Swati Ritesh Mehta, have an honor to introduce multifaceted and multidimensional personality Dr. Jagannath Rao Hegde as the candidate for the coveted office Second Vice District Governor of our district 3231A1 for the year 2021. It would just be a formality to introduce a larger than life leader. People from grassroots level to the influential ones have known him for his involvement and service for humanity. By profession, he is a dental and oral surgery expert and has been instrumental in organizing various camps for people from various strata. His contribution to the education sector is tremendous. He is serving as a board of directors on multiple renowned universities like SNDT, D.Y. Patil, Terna College, etc. He is also in the Senate and Executive Council of the very reputed and our own Mumbai University. He was awarded as the best doctor by the Governor of Andhra. D.Y. Patil University has awarded him with the doctorate in 2019. His accomplishments are endless, but to name a few, he was awarded as the best sheriff of Mumbai in 100 years for implementing clean, green and healthy Mumbai project efficiently. Dr. Hegde has also served as the Vice Chairman of the Central Advisory Board for Child Labour. His name is also in the Guinness World Record for his contribution in a cultural folk dance event. His awards and contribution has not only been recognized by Indian government but also by the UK government for the superiority of work in social welfare at the House of Lords. अब एक बार डॉक्टर साहब की लायनिज्म की जर्नी की तरफ नजर घुमाएं तो लगता है डॉक्टर साहब ने यहाँ भी झंडे गाड़े हैं. He joined Lionism in the year 87-88 and started Lions Club of Midtown with record of 113 members. Sir was instrumental in reorganizing Lions Club of Midtown. His mega projects include Diabetes Awareness Program and Hunger Project to celebrate Melvin Jones' birthday. These projects are organized every year with the same zeal. He has served relentlessly for 50 years to the mankind and has given his services to his best. He is also holding a dual position of Ambassador of District and Zone Chairperson. Corona mein bhi serve Corona is his motto. Recently, he distributed ration to the needy people and donated generously to various fundraising events. His age could not stop him to be available during this critical time. डॉक्टर हेगड़े बुद्धिमत्ता, करुणा और सरलता का एक अनोखा संगम है. Dr. Sahab is deeply committed, disciplined and have great administrator capability. With his public connections and easy accessibility, he would take Lionism to another height. He has always led by example. Having him as our leader for district would be beneficial to spread a positive vibe and would set a benchmark of service amongst lions. जो तूफानों में भी किनारे तक पहुंचा दे, ऐसी अब हस्तियां नहीं मिलती. एक ढूंढो तो 1000 मिल जाएंगे, दूसरों की खुशी के लिए जूझने वाली आप जैसी हस्तियां नहीं मिलती. I think this summarizes Dr. Hegde's persona. Please come together, vote and elect our own second Vice District Governor, a very powerful yet humble humanitarian. Thank you so much.
Third, Jamshed Khodai from Sunrise.
Dear Lions, I'm Dr. Tansi Jamshed Khodai, daughter of Lion Jamshed Wafadar Khodai, and I'm here to endorse my father, whom I believe is a highly suitable candidate for the office of Second Vice District Governor for the year 2020-2021. As one can understand, this prestigious post comes with a number of opportunities and responsibilities to make a difference by empowering and serving our community. While being responsible and dependable are qualities your candidate Lion Jamshed Khodai has conveyed throughout his life, be it in his personal commitments or his professional endeavors. A successful businessman with over 50 years of experience, he single-handedly owned and managed 3 restaurants, namely Bacha Cold Drink Depot and Wafadar Cold Drink Depot, while taking care of 3 very young children. While fulfilling his parental duties, he was also a mother, a friend, a motivator, and a guide to each one of us. During this trying time in his life, he found solace in the Lions Club community and discovered his passion to help and serve those in need. In his 3 decades of serving Lionism, he's had an excellent year as a zone chairperson, for which he won an award, and subsequently as a region chairperson, during which he implemented several important social projects, which were in the budget of about 5 lakh rupees. Even though throughout these years he truly fulfilled his duties as a loyal member of Lions Club, he wanted to do more but was restricted due to his commitments to his family. However, now that we have grown up and moved on, he's free to pursue his true desires, which is to give his 100% to the cause of Lionism. He's determined to drive a revolution to build a healthy Lions community and an image that reflects compassion and honesty. Known for his integrity, his transparency, justice, good management, and exceptional governance, he is your ideal candidate to achieve this objective, my grassroots Lions. At the age of 74 years, he brings decades of knowledge and wisdom. However, being young at heart, he has the drive and the determination to bring about the change that Lions Club has been yearning for the last several years. This club was established in India by Lion Naushir Pandole in 1956, and since then several worthy governors have carried out the mission of this excellent service organization. And I believe that Lion Jamshed Khodai is the right candidate to carry forward this legacy as a second Vice District Governor. Put your faith in him, he will not let you down. If you support him in this endeavor, he wants to reach out to those in need and help and serve those who are less fortunate than us. Look within yourself. If this cause resonates with you, then look no further, because without a doubt, Lion Jamshed Khodai is your candidate. Well, the clue is in the name. We know the exceptional philanthropist, Sir Jamshedji Ratan Tata, who's dedicated his life to social causes. Well, I believe that my father shares these aspirations if given the opportunity. Finally, I would like to conclude with a quote I've seen my father live by. and which I believe is in perfect agreement with the purpose of being a true lion, and that is Neki Kar Darya Mein Dal. Thank you for your time, Lions. Please understand that this is your right and opportunity to change the course of Lionism, so choose wisely.
And fourth, Lion Sanjay Churi, for Lions Club of Mahim.
दोस्तों, पिछले 30 सालों से ये शख्स लायनिज्म में लगातार बढ़िया काम कर रहा है. A lion of 30 years standing, from a club of 50 years standing, consistent service and fellowship, worked with practically every district governor, held practically every important position at the club and district level. None other than yours, mine and ours, Lion Sanjay Churi of Lions Club of Mahim. Friends, what do we need from a governor? Leadership skills in plenty, natural and acquired. Sanjay has been a member of the University Senate. Various leadership positions he has held outside and inside Lionism. And he has trained himself. There is not a single leadership program of the Lions Clubs International which he has not undergone. Administrative ability. Again, organizing ability in plenty. Resourceful and professional. See his resourcefulness. In the year of late V.K. Shetty, he organized 52 service week projects, friends. And he's an architect by profession. So, an architect of our district. Knowledge of Lionism is something we look forward to. And he has it in plenty. As I said, for 30 years he's been functioning continuously without a break. So who else can be more better knowledgeable? An excellent track record. Have you ever heard of a controversy? Have you ever? No. Excellent clean track record in Lionism. A very energetic and agile lion. Friends, let's not forget it's just not the elections. Next year he's going to be our second VDG. Year after that he's going to be the first VDG. Then he's going to be our governor. Imagine the amount of stress and strain one needs to undergo. And this is the candidate we want. Involvement and support of the family. Friends, the entire Churi family is involved in Lionism. His better half Varda, a very well-known social worker, very well-known in Lionism. She is herself been a past president of Lions Club of Mahim. Their two daughters equally involved in service. In fact, one of their daughters, Sneha, was the Leo district president during my governorship in 2008-2009. दोस्तों, ये पूरा चूरी परिवार जो है, ये लायनिज्म से जुड़ा हुआ है. दोस्तों, संजय चूरी को अपना पहला मत, that is our first preferential vote देकर बहुमत से हमें विजयी करना है. And let's not forget, friends, संजय चूरी करेगा हम सबकी आशा पूरी.
Sanjay's journey in the pathway of the International Association of Lions Clubs is earmarked by one of the best accolades to have been excelled going through the annals of time in the District 3231A1. The name Sanjay itself acknowledges that his leadership path is different and offers key ideas and concepts, and that sets him apart and helps him move along his own unique way. Servant-hearted and sincere, ambitious and authentic, always a networker for the next generation. Just in his dealings and jubilant, action-oriented and approachable, youthful and always yearning. A staunch believer in you, my lions, for the support and development. Commitment, passion, empathy, innovation and creative thinking are the other hallmarks of his leadership qualities, making him the best candidate for the second Vice District Governor. Friends, it is time that we should all do something to right the wrongs that we see and not just complain about them. We have a candidate who is humane, open-minded, passionate and empathetic to lead our district, a true family man, our hope of the district, Sanjay Churi. Yours, mine, ours, and the unity candidate, Sanjay Churi.
Thank you very much and all the best.
नमस्ते सभा के अध्यक्ष एवं लाइन मित्रों,
जय जिनेन्द्र, प्रणाम। अनाउंसमेंट, संपूर्ण देश में कोविड-19 के चलते सभी योजनाओं को स्थगित किया गया है। सेवा के क्षेत्र में हमारे कोविड फाइटर, लायंस मेंबर, लायंस क्लब के जो उत्कृष्ट कार्य कर रही है, वे अपनी क्षमता अनुसार इस कोविड-19 में, इस महाकाल में, महामारी में अपना योगदान जारी रखें। आप सभी सेवा भावी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया, सलाम। वोट ऑफ थैंक्स। सबसे पहले हम आभारी हैं आज के इस ई कॉन्फ्रेंस के मुख्य अतिथि, पास्ट इंटरनेशनल डायरेक्टर नरेंद्र जी भंडारी का, जिन्होंने हमें दिल से आशीर्वाद प्रदान किया। हम आभारी हैं इंटरनेशनल डायरेक्टर एवं इस सभा के की नोट स्पीकर श्री जेपी सिंह जी का, जिन्होंने अपनी वाणी से इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में 4 चांद लगा दिए। हम आभारी हैं हमारे पास्ट इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट 2005-06 एवं हमारे इलेक्शन कमेटी चेयरमैन श्री अशोक भाई मेहता जी का, जिन्होंने इस ई वोटिंग की प्रक्रिया को बखूबी से इंतजाम किया। हम आभारी हैं हमारे कमेटी के सभी चेयरमैन, को चेयरमैन व उनके सदस्यों का, जिन्होंने समय पर अपनी रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत की। हम आभारी हैं सभी लाइन डेलीगेट्स, मेंबर्स, लाइन लेडी, लियो का, जिन्होंने सहयोग, साथ, समर्थन से अपनी उपस्थिति से इस प्रक्रिया को पूर्ण कर पाए। हम आभारी हैं हमारे प्रिंटर लाइन प्रशांत बनवाली का, जिन्होंने इस संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन के बावजूद हमें हर कार्य को पूर्ण करने में संपूर्ण योगदान दिया। हम आभारी हैं राइट टू वोट के चेयरमैन श्री नीरज जी का, जिन्होंने हमें ई वोटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म दिया। अंत में हम आभारी हैं लियो विनील शाह, प्रेसिडेंट लियो डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3231A1 का, जिन्होंने आप सभी की स्पीच को, आप सभी के पोस्टर को लाइव बनाए रखा। Once again, I thank you all for your support and giving us a valuable time. Thank you, friends.
First session is over and I request all of you go for e-voting, and after that we'll come back